Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is part two of my review for instant cash solutions, the wealth formula for 2019. This is part two. I just did part one, and that video should be right ahead of you. So, what we have talked about, just to recap, I went over the two businesses that are going to be good for you for 2019 if you're just getting started. My Econ, if you are a employee, that'll help you save from 100 to about $300 or $400 every month. Instant Cash Solutions will give you the cash flow that you need in a part-time business to pay off that debt that you have for 2019 or go on that vacation you want to go on. Now, we did three ways to market ICS. The first way I showed you was Craigslist. So what I'll do is I've already shown you how to do an ad in Craigslist. I also did my own ad in Craigslist, and you'll see that I got a lot of responses back from that one ad. So there are a lot of people that are interested. You can use that phone number, your sizzle call number, or your cell phone number for them to text you, or the sizzle call number for them to decide if they want to actually do it or not. Okay, so let's see here. It's kind of slow. So what we'll do, we went to the nationwide newspaper, and what I did, I pulled out. Let's see here. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so this is Craigslist right here, and these are all the people that are interested in working from home. It shows you that the ad does work, and all you have to do is let the system follow up with people. Now, we go to the college newspaper, uh, which is nationwide newspaper, and we went to the college section, and you can pick out any college that you want to. Uh, this is advertised in the University of Alaska. So even the University of Alaska has a newspaper. And you can advertise in any of these newspapers. We have ads in the back office of ICS. And once you join with me, I'll show you how to do that. Okay? And the last way to market I want to show you is the Facebook group strategy. Now, what I like about ICS and how they do this, excuse me, not only do they tell you to advertise in the Facebook group section, but this tells you how to do it and why to do it. So it tells you how to do it. It gives you, here's all that you do. And you just read and follow the steps. And then it even gives you a sample of an ad that you can use. Okay? Once you download the ad, then you're going to go here, and these are your Facebook image ads right here. These are all your Facebook image ads that all you do is just, okay, let's see. So let's see here. We're going to say, we're going to go with this ad right here. And I've done this ad. This is a good ad right here. I'm going to right click, okay? And when I right click, all I do is copy it, and then I copy it to one of the Facebook groups. That's all I do is just copy it to one of the Facebook groups, and then it'll go ahead and post that ad for me. You can post up to 10 ads a day, and you will get a lot of response of people that want information, and then you would just send them your link. This is a free way of getting leads. I've already gotten at least 8 to 10 leads today alone. So if you don't have a lot of money, or you just want to save money, or if you want to do both paid and unpaid, you can post to Facebook groups. Okay, so that's another way of doing that. And then we have testimonials, which is in the back office of of let's see here. Yeah, it's in the back office. If I can get there. There we go. Okay. Let's see here. There we go. Okay. So we got different tools, training, marketing. Okay, so if we go to ICS websites, we go here. Let's see. It's kind of slow. Kind of slow motion there. There we go. Okay. So these are the websites that we have here at ICS, and I should be able to pull up testimonials. Let's see here. Here we go. At the very bottom, you can see where it says testimonials, and it'll take me to testimonials. So let's just see. We'll wait for that just a second. And also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. If you like it, if you like this video, tell me that you like it. If you have any questions, leave any questions or comments for me. Also, please connect with me on Facebook. Please connect with me. Let's become friends on Facebook. Send me a message. Let's just kind of talk to each other. Tell me what you're trying to do, where you're trying to go, and then we'll just go from there. Okay? All right, let's see here. Having a little trouble with it. Trying to pull up the testimonials here. Okay. It's kind of slow here, but it's coming along. Okay. Okay, so that doesn't seem to be working right there. And that's okay. That's okay. Okay. Well, what I'll do is I'm going to go to bonuses now. That doesn't seem to be working, which this is live, so you do have issues with it. But let's see here. Let's see what else it says here. Okay. Okay, I don't want that. And I don't want that. Okay. And I'm gonna go. Now we go. Now we're gonna go to the bonuses. Now, so what I've done today is I've shown you in part two that you have three ways that we can market or you can market instant cash solutions. Very simple ways to do. Craigslist. All you do is copy and paste. Nationwide newspaper. I've shown you how to find the newspaper ad. And then in the back office of Instant Cash Solutions, we have sample classified ads that you can copy and paste. Also, I've shown you how to go to a Facebook group. You go to Facebook, you join a group, and then you can copy the pre-ad already done for you and go from there. Okay? So for the bonuses, what I want to tell you, if you join my team today, let's see the bonuses here. There we go. For the bonuses, here we go. It's kind of slow. There we go. Okay. So my instant cash solution bonuses for you, or I'm going to give you a email swipe. Okay. Now, if you don't want to pay for AWeber or GetResponse, the company has emails that we send out for you. Okay. But if you do want to get AWeber and build your own list, I'm going to give you a 14-day email swipe that's worth $497. Also, you're going to join my mastermind Facebook group, which is worth $297 and more by itself. Okay? Because I am a tax accountant, I can give you this bonus that a lot of leaders cannot give you. I am certified. So, you can get tax consultation from me for your business and your personal. I can do that for you. That's worth $997, but I really charge my business clients, and you're going to get that for just joining my team. Also, you're going to get marketing consultation on your business, ways to market your business, and I'm going to give you a 1-hour consultation for $997 just for joining the team. All of that is worth $27.88. All of that is worth $27.88. The 14-day email swipe, the mastermind Facebook group, tax consultation, 1 hour for free, marketing consultation, 1 hour for free, total $27.88. So I'm going to give that to you. And so all you have to do is click on the link below, get started right now while you can. If you want to make some money from home, you just got over the holidays, you spent a lot of money during the Christmas holidays, you're trying to make it up now, I have the way out for you, okay? I can help you to create cash flow, okay? But just a disclaimer, my efforts are not your efforts, so I can't guarantee you anything, but I can promise you I will help you to the best of my ability, okay? So this is Randall Jenkins signing off. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join the team here. If you have any questions, reach out to me. God bless. Have a great Saturday evening, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.